I done hit a deer, man. I done hit a damn deer, bro. First time in my life. First time ever, bro. I done hit a deer. In my Accord, man. Let me just show y'all.
About their number one receiver. If you want to cause chaos with a quarterback,
come on, yeah, freaking dead, man.
And watch him blow up some of these about their number one receiver. If you want to cause chaos with a quarterback,
come on, yeah, freaking dead, man.
And watch him blow up some of these
God dang.
Really versatile player. Had a true first round grade on him. Had him higher than Jordan Davis. Didn't think he was going to be there for the Ravens, and was so happy. And he grade on him. Had him higher than Jordan Davis. Didn't think he was going to be there for the Ravens, and was so happy. And he exceeded even my expectations. I mean, I think that what he's been able to do covering slot receivers, we saw it last year. He's carrying Deontay Johnson and some of these quick slot receivers down the field on deep routes. It's just amazing that what he can do. It's really what can he do, and that's nothing on the defensive side.
Shall we get to it?
Let's get to it. It's a compilation of plays. You can pause it whenever you want. But
You straight?
Everybody be familiar with it.
Alright, so I'm about to show y'all. I guess it could have been worse than what it is. So I just noticed this. Gotta clean that up. And you can see the door is kinda got that split right there. And then this, I feel like I probably can just like pop that back in. I'm not sure. Definitely ain't trying to break nothing. So y'all let me know. And then luckily, I don't see nothing too crazy on the front. So yeah. So let me take my pictures now, just in case, cause the insurance company, they be tripping. So could have been worse. Could have been windshield. Could have been full bump on the ground. Could have been a whole lot worse than what it is. So for what it is right now, I will take it. As you can see all the hair and all that stuff. Like, yeah, so yeah. It's always something, huh? It's always something. But I'm safe, not hurt. Nobody was hurt, so it's a blessing. All right, guys. It's the next day. I went to the car wash, so I'm gonna show y'all what it look like now. So let's see. Ooh, that all black look good, man. I can't lie, but that's not what we here for. So start right here. I was able to push this back in. Just banged it in like that. Right there. As much as I could, honestly. I think I did a okay job. But right here still got that little gap. So if you guys are watching this and are in Atlanta, if you know the body shop, put it in the comments. I'm really not trying to pay the deductible for this. I ain't even gonna lie, man. I feel like this ain't worth $500. So, and then right here, of course, still got that little split right there. But as far as damages, don't see nothing too crazy. Look, sorry. So it's doable, man. It's doable. Once again, I'm grateful because it could have been way worse. It could have been way, way worse. So yeah. Yeah, man. Feeling good. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. But look, you know how we do, man. The good, the bad, and ugly. So that's where we at. You know what I'm saying? If y'all need to see anything else, y'all got any more questions, if y'all got the hookup, let me know. But until next time, you know how we do it. I holla.
All I wanted was to be more, Grew up in the city, call it be more, yeah. Skinny nigga, crooked teeth, tryna fit in. But I never had to